Hi everyone, today I'm going to review a most sought after product for summers and winters alike. This is a sunscreen that I'm reviewing today, and a lot of you might have already used it. But I thought for those of you who have still not used this one, you should hear me out on this. This is Lotus Safe Sun UV Screen Matte Gel. This is how the packaging looks like. Now, this will take you down the memory lane because we've all grown up looking at these Lotus tubes, in different variants at all mom and pop stores that we've visited with our parents. This one is a new addition to their collection, not this year, but it was launched last year, and I believe there was an advertisement that Preeti Zinta used to do for this one, and there was a huge push from the brand for this particular product. And why not? This is really innovative, and we do have. I understand that we have a lot of sunscreens in the market. In all kinds of finishes, creams, gels, even in form of BB and CC creams and whatnot. But this product is something that we've all been waiting for, and it's absolutely affordable. This contains about 100 grams of product for 440 rupees. But since again the consistency is such that you just require a little bit amount for your entire hand or for your entire face, and it just covers you up. So this says that this has got PA triple plus UVA and UVB protection, which is a major plus point. This is something that we all should look out for in any sunscreen that we pick up. Then this has got SPF 50, which I think is perfect for summers, especially when you have to go out in a hot afternoon to do your errands. I think this should be your companion. So very quickly, let's go to what the product says. So it says an innovative sunblock which is totally non-oily and provides a fresh and clean finish to face, neck and hands. Of course, you can use it on the legs as well. So this is what Lotus Herbals claims, and let's check out if it's true to its claims. So I'll take out a little bit of this product and I'll just show you the swatch. Not sure how, but yeah. So this is how the consistency looks like. I'm just going to place a little bit on my hand. You should always dab the sunscreen instead of rubbing it like this, because when you dab it like this, it gets absorbed really quick and it lasts longer on your skin. And you also don't end up, wasting a lot of product. So yeah, it does dry out to a completely matte finish, as you can see. And it also has a very cooling sensation, which is a pleasant surprise in a sunscreen. I completely love this, cool, nice feeling that it gives to my skin. Now, I've been using this sunscreen for about 6 months now. I picked this up on a discount from a mom and pop store. And I must say that I have loved this product enough to have restocked it already for myself. So you can see this is a packed tube, which I have not opened till now. But I'm completely in love with this product, and I already have a backup for this because I just cannot do without this anymore. This is by far the best sunscreen that I've ever used. One, because of its texture, it is extremely light on the skin, doesn't sit heavy on my face or on my neck or arms, wherever. It completely absorbs in like 10 seconds at max. Then the specs right here, PA triple plus UVA, UVB, 50 SPF is probably all that you need in a sunscreen, in a good sunscreen. And usually, as the SPF goes higher, you get a white cast in a sunscreen. This one has absolutely no white cast. It does not make your skin look greasy. It's completely matte. It can also be used as a primer. So number two, it's extremely affordable. This one tube has lasted me for about 6 months because I've been using it a little sparingly. But even if I would have used it liberally, it would have lasted me for at least 3 to 4 months at least. And this is when I'm using it on my face, neck, and my hands on a regular basis, and occasionally on my legs when I wear skirts or shorts. So this product, according to me, is a must buy Please go buy this, try this out. If you haven't already, you'll thank me later. This is the best sunscreen currently available in market. It's super affordable. It's true to its claims. And come on, there's a sunscreen which does not have white cast and gives you a matte finish. What else could we ask for? Go buy this one. Thank you for watching this video. Please come back for more. Bye-bye.